Teaching tip number 2, stay calm and ask for help. When we first start out on our teaching journey, we don't know everything and we can't know everything. Our teacher training programs also can't prepare us for absolutely everything. So when you come across something that is really challenging you, please stay calm. It's okay. My go-to strategy, and this is after 27 years of teaching, I still have clients come in that completely flummox me. I have no idea what they're talking about. So my go-to strategy is to ask them. So I'll say, well, when it hurts, what is it that you do to make it feel better? Our clients are the expert on their own body. Get through the class by staying calm, keeping their ideas in the center of what it is that you're doing. Teach the things that you figured out will be safe for them to do. So if it was a lower back issue, then maybe you're going to focus on leg alignment. Maybe you're going to do things that don't require too much movement in the low back, or whatever it is, whatever injury they've come in with. Do other things. There are many other parts of the body that we can exercise and that we can help them to move, and it'll probably make that area that is in pain or has a lot of discomfort today feel better because the rest of the body is being moved. And then go away and ask somebody who knows. So don't panic, just stay calm. There's so many other options for